How to change the code on a Halo connector mobiliser. So we'll turn the ignition on without starting, pop our code in, confirm that it's us, or we can present our phone, disarm the system as usual. Now we'll press one of the buttons 5 times, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll cycle the ignition off and back on. Got our 5 bleeps, and now we're ready to change the code. So we'll just change it to, wait for a confirmation. Now repeat that again. Receive the same confirmation. That's the code changed.